to practice at our end?
I didn't get you.
Is it possible for us to practice at our end as well, sir? This Tableau version?
Yeah, because Tableau Public is an open source version. You have
Okay.
to practice on it. Okay.
Sure.
Give me 1 minute. I will show you the practical.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, is my screen is visible, guys? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. When you enter in the Google Chrome, Tableau public, okay, you will find the Tableau public site. Okay, you have to click here. Okay. And after entering into the Tableau, okay, with your login credentials, you will find the create option here. You can find web authorities, download Tableau desktop public edition here. Okay. And in order to get the sample data or dummy data, as we are working on the dummy data for the practice purposes, right? So in order to get those particular dummy data, okay, you have to go to the resources. Visible, right? Everyone, please try to.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, visible.
Yeah, exactly. Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
visible.
yes.
good. And you have to go through the resources, guys. Resources option. After going into the resources, you have to enter into the sample data, guys. Okay. Here the different types of sample data will be visible. Okay, you can work on different types of sample data. Okay, like government, education, public data. Okay, sports, different types of data will be there. Okay, for example, I am taking this support sales. Okay, this data. After clicking on it, it will be downloading here. Okay, sample data will be downloading here. You can view, right? So after downloading the sample data, you have to go to the my profile, guys. Here, my profile. Okay. After entering to the profile, okay, with your credentials, I think you have to include. Okay, you have to sign up. Okay, the credentials will be looking like this. Okay, you have to go to the create a viz, guys. Okay, this is the option for the Tableau. Okay.
From where we are getting these credentials?
Credentials you can directly log in, right? Sign up. It is an open
Okay.
source.
Okay, sign up and then create.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Okay, you have to create a viz here. Click on the create viz button. Okay, after entering here, the interface will be looking like this. You may have file, data, worksheets, dashboards, everything will be looking like this. What you have to do means you have downloaded some sample data, right? 1 minute. Sample data here, I think so. Okay, this Tableau is a more like a drag and drop version, guys. You can simply drag the data here. Okay, then it will take some time to load that particular data, guys. Okay, it is simple. Okay, you have downloaded it, you can drag directly here. Okay, to the interface. Okay, and then it will be stored in the data source, guys. Okay, data source. First we may find the data source. Okay, these are the sheets. Okay, these are the dashboards, and these are the stories, guys. Okay, first we have to connect these data. We are having the data of orders. Okay, orders data will be present here like this, the sample data. Okay, 1 minute. Order like this, the sample data will be there. Okay, and the people. Okay, different types of data will be there when compared to sample. Simply we have to take this order of data and we have to drag here. Okay, again it will take some time. Okay, and again you have to drag this data to connect these data internal level. Okay, This is a visualization tool, right? BA will be working on the raw data, okay, in order to convert this particular raw data into visual representation. Okay, the major role is to convert the raw data into visual representation. Okay.
Sir, BA will get this raw data from a stakeholder or something?
Yeah,
What?
from stakeholders or from clients, they may get this raw data, because as a BA, he will be working on that particular organization, right?
Okay.
Okay, based on the data, he will be working. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Again, you have to drag here like this. Okay. It will connect. After connecting these all the data, whatever the sample data you have taken, you have to update here, guys, on clicking on the update now. Okay, so that the information will be loaded like this. Okay, like this you may find the information. Okay, after entering every data you want, you have entered in this data source. Okay, and in order to convert this data source into the sheet, okay, you have to click on the sheet here. Okay, it may take some time, guys. Sometime it will take.
Is raw data always in Excel sheet format or else
I didn't get you, sorry.
is raw data always in Excel sheet format?
Yeah, you can take with any sources like document or PDF format, Excel sheet, whatever the format may be, you can import it. Okay.
We can directly do it from SQL also, na?
Yeah, SQL also you can do it.
And server.
Point that we
I didn't get you.
cannot edit the cells. So was it in context of there was a negative point for Tableau that we cannot edit the cells. So was it in context of a business analyst? Would the technical team be able to do it?
Like for example, if you, according to your question, okay, I will tell you one scenario. Like if we have created some data, for example, if we have inserted some data here, okay, in a sheet, okay, particular data, and after like giving every information, or after saving or after downloading, we may not get the option to re-edit the data. In order to re-edit the data, we have to create again another sheet. Okay, that is the thing happened here. Okay, and when comes to this BA, okay, BA will only be working on the raw data to convert the visual representation. Okay, technical team will not be working on the raw data, right?
So if any editing is required in the
Yeah,
source document, that would come from the stakeholder itself.
yeah. If a particular stakeholder gives their particular requirements, based on the requirements, the BA will be working, right?
So after using that raw data and converting them into charts, dashboards, and everything which you mentioned,
Yeah.
does BA need to give some conclusions and outcomes also out of it, and as to what that data represents and all that?
Yeah, like he will be basically giving a KT to the clients or stakeholders. Okay, this is how the data will be looking, and these brief will be there. Okay, he will be giving a KT. Okay, so that they can easily understand, because as it is a visual representation, right?
So, if it is like the data has been provided by the stakeholder, and once we're creating the visualization, a dashboard of that, and it is being presented back to the stakeholder, and then they analyze that there is some mistake and all, they will rectify the data and give it.
Then then they may send a change request, right? So that
Okay.
the again BA will be working on it. Okay, if any changes are required, again he will take some input from the clients. Okay, again he will be converting this particular raw data. Okay, it will be easy, right?
So the changes will be done from the stakeholders end.
Sorry.
Like if they send any type of change request or any changes required, again he will be working. Okay, there will be no problem.
No, but the data will be initial provided with the changes from the stakeholder only.
Yeah. Give me a few more minutes, guys, because as I said before, it may take some time to load the data. Okay.
So, sir, till this time it gets loaded. So, we have to go to Tableau public, then we have to use the sign up option, create, and then from there we have to go to resources. And from
Resources.
resources, we get the sample data.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay. And from sample data, whatever we want to choose
1
from
minute,
out of
guys.
the.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah. Previously, I think Abhishek, right?
Yeah, Abhishek, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are having some doubt.
No. So I was just reiterating and probably revising myself with
Okay.
the process. So I was saying after we have the sample data available on the site, we can pick any of these sample datas, and then from
Yes.
there we can just use
Drag
that
and drop.
to drag and drop, and
Yes.
then
Exactly.
after that, sir, there was something like Viz's when Viz which was there. What was that exactly?
I will tell you. Give
Okay,
me a few more minutes because the
sure,
data will be loading, right?
sure,
Yeah. You will get a clear idea when I show practically. Okay. That's why
sure.
I'm waiting. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir, sure.
Yeah.
For practice purpose, can we use this platform and extract our own personal files?
Yes. This is mainly for the practice purpose only. Okay.
Okay.
Because no confidential data should be showed here, like shared here.
Okay. And can we also extract our personal files and documents?
When comes to personal things, it will be becoming the confidential data, right? So
Hmm?
in the after sharing or uploading the data into this Tableau, like
Mhm.
everyone will be getting the access. Every person will be getting the access. Okay, that's why I'm telling.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
For majorly, you use this Tableau public for practice purpose, so that you can gain some knowledge. So and so I have worked on. Okay, like this you can tell.
Okay.
So
Can
meanwhile,
Tableau
can
directly,
you, yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
yeah, can Tableau directly connect to MySQL server or the Oracle part directly and operate simultaneously? Means if you execute a code in Oracle, can
Hmm.
that have a direct update in Tableau?
No, it will not be like that. If we download or if we want to import some particular data, that should be in some particular files or resources, so that we can
Means
import, right?
means the queries and the structures, if saved
Uh,
in a Notepad file or a Microsoft Word file, that can be
yeah,
dragged and
those
in.
those logistics will not be working here. Okay, because as we are converting the raw data, right?
Okay.
That is the reason. Please don't mind. It is taking little time to.
So meanwhile, can you tell us the path? I mean, orally, like we
Yeah.
have to type a Tableau public in a Google,
Yes.
then we have to click on the
I
resources for
will, I will,
dummy
I will,
data.
I will tell you. Okay, 1 minute. Like when you enter into the Google Chrome, you have to type Tableau public. Okay.
Okay.
And after entering into the Tableau public, yeah, you may find the sign in option there. Okay, with your credentials, you have to sign in. Okay, and there will be a resource option. Okay, in order to get the sample data. Okay, you have to work on the sample data, right? So in order to get the sample data, you have to go to the resources,
Mhm.
and after clicking on the particular file, you can download particular sample data. Okay,
Okay.
and
Done.
after that you have to go to my profile there or top
Right.
of the website. There
Okay.
you can create a viz. Okay, viz is nothing but the process of the Tableau.
Got it, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
and after that you can directly drag and drop it.
Okay.
uh, Wait 1 minute, wait guys. Why it is taking time?
Yeah, one question just out of the box, that is out of the context, that is, I'm using the hotspot from my mobile. I am not able to open the Tableau website. So is there any problem with the means if you're using a hotspot, you cannot connect or you have to use a Wi-Fi? Is there any specification like that?
Ritvik, hi. Ritvik, this is Sangeeta, co-host here. Can you please repeat your question?
Yeah, so I am using my mobile hotspot at this moment for the internet, but I
Yes,
cannot connect to the Tableau website. Okay, tableau.com and go to the resources and all.
you should.
So
Ritik, there is no
yeah,
connection with your Wi-Fi or data here. Only
yeah,
concern here is you should not use your confidential information for Tableau public, because as the
yeah,
name suggests, it is public. But there
correct.
is no problem with using your Wi-Fi or data plan. Should not be a
Oh,
problem
oh,
at all.
so it doesn't matter on the internet. Anything it can be,
Nothing.
right?
No, no, of
Okay,
course.
okay, okay, sure.
Guys, give us few minutes. We're checking why it is taking time to upload. Just give me a few minutes. We won't be able to answer your questions. Okay.
तुम बताओ क्या हो रहा है, मेरा तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा। गाने छोड़ी बच्ची हो गया।
Guys, it is taking more time. Okay, sometimes in rare cases it may take more time, guys. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
So I'm trying to I downloaded the file. I'm trying to move that file into the data store, so it's
Okay.
not getting moved.
It is not getting
moved there.
Okay. You can drag it, right?
Yeah, I tried to drag it there, but
Okay.
it's not
One.
getting there.
Yeah. Now I have got it. Okay. Now I will once try to drag that one once again. Okay. Because I think there is some issue. Okay. Guys, the particular data what I have taken here, okay, data resources that is entered into the sheet, guys. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, this particular data that is converted into the sheet. Okay, clear? And
Sir, could you please start from the starting, so it will be better for all of us.
Yes, from where you start, drag the file, downloaded file into the data store tab.
I think it may take time, because when converting the data to the sheet, okay, let me continue this process. After completing this exact process, I will tell you. Okay, once again I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, as of now I have converted this data source, okay, which is contain the data into sheets. Okay, after converting into the sheets, okay, for example, we are having different types of data. Okay, for example, we can take, okay, 1 minute, like for example, you have to mention this cat owning household here. Okay, into the columns. Okay, or we can mention to the rows also for the particular data. Okay, and cat population here. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, here. Yeah, let me take this one. You can mention state wise count we want. Okay, particular about the information of the cat. Okay, like this we can represent, and mean number of cats. Okay, percentage of cats. Hello.
Sir, if you are speaking, you are on mute.
We are not able to hear you.
No audio.
There is no audio. Hello? Hello?
Oh,
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
you can hear me now?
Now just audible.
Yeah, I
Yes,
think
yes.
there is some technical issue. I think so. Now it is fixed. Okay. Here, when comes to sheet one, okay, sheet one, okay, you have taken some data, okay, with the help of show me button, okay, you can create different types of maps here, as I said before, okay, like pie charts, maps, okay, bars, okay, different types of things you can represent in this way, okay. And from the button also you can mention here, okay, with the help of circle, bar, or whatever it may be, okay. Here we take bar, okay, and 1 minute. I think here also I have taken bar, okay. I will take here pie chart, okay. And if we comes, okay, for the particular data here, okay, 1 minute. Yeah, if we want to particularly filter this data, this type of raw data, you have to 1 minute. I want to remove here. Okay, if you want to filter this particular data here, okay, you have to drag and drop to the filter. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, here you have to mention the relevant data. Okay, you have to mention your range, okay, whatever the changes you want to mention here, all values in the database, okay, you can apply it directly, okay, and you can click on OK here, okay, then the data will be varied here, okay, okay, and here you can mention the 1 minute, and you can again you can put it here, okay, to the columns, okay, then it will vary, okay, cat pop, it shows the bar shows the cat population, okay, dog owning households, okay, this, and country wise, okay, state wise, okay. Here by clicking on double click, 1 minute, by clicking on it you can change the name like cat owning, okay. Cat population, uh, cat population, dog owning, okay, and okay, here I will take another data, 1 minute. If, for example, if we want to measure the particular values here, okay, you can insert like this, and you can directly convert to the pie chart, okay, or you can click on here also, again if you want to calculate the percentage of dogs here, okay, state wise it will show like this.
I think it is not getting cleared. Can
Yeah,
you
yeah,
just
1 minute, 1 minute. I think yeah, now it is clear, I think so. Okay,
Repeat once.
yeah, because as per the data it will adjust its flexibility, okay, as per the according to the data it will take give us the options here, okay. For example, if you are having some different types of huge data, it will enable the different options, got it here.
मेरा 3 बजे फिर से है
uh-huh.
class.
Please mute yourself.
Guys, please mute yourself.
Yeah, with the help of these different types of data you are inserting, okay, then the options will be visible here. Here also, here by clicking on the show me button you can edit here, or you can directly go to the automate tick. Okay, here the different types of options will be there, like a bar, line, area, okay, square, circle. Okay, with these different types you can go through them. Okay.
Excuse me, sir, Vishal this side.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, so according to the data, we will get the marks.
I didn't get you.
Like the options which you are showing us, like
Yeah,
the
yeah,
graph.
exactly.
So according to the data only, we will get the option which will be suitable for it.
Yeah,
We will get
sometimes
so
according to the data it will be getting. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, because when comes to different domains, different types of data will be there, raw data. Okay, so after inserting different kinds of data, that those things will be visible here. Okay.
In between, the voice was not there, so the process is not that much clear. How it
Okay.
happened and how you created it.
Okay, I will tell you once again here.
From sheet, repeat once, sir.
Yeah.
When we click sheet, yes.
Yeah, when
How to select column and rows also.
yeah when let me in sheets. Okay, when comes to in sheets we are having columns and rows, because the data should be represented column wise as well as row wise. Okay, and in order to represent this particular data, for example, we will take the state wise. Okay, we have to mention the state wise count here in the column. Okay, and what we are calculating cat population and dog population. Okay, what is the exact, so that the data will be adjusted like this. Okay, got it. 1 minute, I will show in the okay, measures. Okay, if you want to take the Gantt chart, okay, it is varying, right, upon clicking the different options. Okay, you got it like this. Okay, it will be varying. Okay, like this, you got it.
So
When
just we
comes,
want to select rows and column, and after that pie chart or
yes, you have to insert particular data into the rows as well as columns.
column.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah, and if you want to particularly filter this, that particular data, filter is nothing but you don't want the like different data, you want particular data. Okay, three type of items or three type of things, whatever the mandatory things. Okay,
Okay.
then you can take directly this one to filter, and you can directly filter there, and you can add directly to here. Got it.
Okay.
Okay, and these are about the sheets. Okay, when comes to dashboards, okay, dashboards is the combination of different sheets. Okay, you can take minimum 3 to 4 sheets. Okay, because in order to represent that particular data clearly. Okay, or like when comes to dashboards, you can take n number of sheets, guys, try to remember. Okay, and after coming to these dashboards, in dashboards how we can represent means we can insert two type of data. Okay, two type of sheets in a dashboard, guys. You can directly drag here. Okay, it will take some time.
Audio is not there.
Yeah, wait, it is loading, right? And again you can mention directly drag to here. Okay, here. Okay, the combination of two data will be visible like this. Okay, the cat owning data and measures. Okay, and I will also create one more sheet. Okay, in order to get clear. Okay, that dag 1 minute state, again I will calculate the state wise only. Okay, and I will also take here dog owning households. Okay, and percentage of dogs. Okay, like this, and measurable values. Okay,
So what exactly, I mean, when we take these measurable values, what exactly does it stand for?
Okay, it exactly shows the correct visualization of that particular thing. For example, if you are having when comes to banking, okay, different employees will have different types of salaries. Okay, in order to represent those things in the visually, okay, these will adjust themselves. Okay, got it?
Okay, so while you are taking in this particular data, I think
Yeah.
this clearly represents. I mean, takes the on the the all the data
Yes.
sheets on the left side. So
Yes.
this is taking the entire data sheet towards the visual representation.
Yeah.
Correct.
Entire
So
data sheet as well as the particular data. Okay, what we are inserting. We have to focus on what type of data we are gonna insert. Okay, that will be more enough.
okay,
Okay. For example,
okay.
if you
And
want
what is the
some, yeah. Tell me.
yeah? Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
For example, if you want some profit, okay, in some like what we can say, in some investment, in some business we have invested something and we want some profit. So in order to represent that visually, okay, what are the things, what are the profits will be there, how the sales are going, so that will clearly get addressed. Okay.
Okay, so in which means, sir, anything, I mean, mostly it will be data related to the numbers. I mean, when it comes to this, so we'll always have to use measurable values in the.
Yes. Yeah,
Okay,
you can use the values, okay, because it shows the values, right? Main values.
correct, correct. And
Exactly.
what is the purpose of using filters, sir? You said just mentioned.
Filter,
I could, I
because
just,
yeah.
yeah,
For example, if we do any survey, okay, on particular information, we get each and every data, okay, whatever the data we want, and echo along with that the different types of data. But as a BA we want the particular data, right? Exact data. So in order to get that exact data, we will filter, like we will remove unwanted data. Okay,
okay,
with the help of this filter. Okay, so
okay,
so that the process will be accurate.
okay, sir, sure.
Okay. Yeah. And I have created another thing, and you can name it as uh 1 minute.
Sir, in this BA processor, only while drawing the tables and all diagrams, for that only we have to use this Tableau awareness. Sir.
uh, it is more like a visual representation, right? In order to represent the raw data visually, you have to use Tableau. Okay, because when we are in any project, we need these types of visual representations to understand easily and to execute the particular project accurately. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I have one question. What is the maximum number of charts that can be shown in dashboard?
Maximum number, you can take n number of charts, whatever it may be, but it, in order to represent neatly, okay, you can take minimum 3 to 4 charts. It will be
Okay.
more enough. Maximum how many you want, you can download it. Okay, I have
Sir, after
created.
completion of this exams, which have given 26 of videos, exams, after completion of that only we have to work on this, sir, next.
No, these are no more like awareness sessions. These are the supporting tools for BA. You can attend these sessions anytime. Okay, and as of now, let me continue with this dashboards. After entering into these dashboards, you can combine the two different types of data, like as I said before, cat only, okay, measurables. Like this the dashboard will be look. Okay, when comes to stories, okay, story means it is the combination of sheets as well as dashboards. Like we can add different types of sheets, or we can add different types of dashboards. Okay, and if you want to add the sheets and dashboards, we can add it. Okay, here you have to mention state wise population. Okay, the name should be there. Okay, and again you have to add this. For example, if you want to take this cat owning, okay, you can directly drag it. And if you want to again add this measurables, okay, 1 minute. One minute. Okay, after taking this cat warning, okay, and measurables, okay, like this, it may take 1 minute.
No voice will be there.
Hello.
Not there, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Voice was not there in between.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Now it is audible. Now it is
Yeah,
audible.
now it is audible. Okay, like when comes to stories, okay, we mostly use these dashboards and sheets. Okay, we rarely use this like stories. Okay, when comes to stories, it will compare. Okay, compare the difference between different sheets or dashboards. Okay, like this it may be visible. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay, you can combine every sheet or every dashboard. You can combine like this, and you can view here in order to show each and every information. Okay, clear?
So, just question, how do
Yeah.
we comprehend this data now? I mean, since we've got the data in front of us, how do we
Yeah.
comprehend, So,
Like you are saying to download it, right?
no, not to
Huh?
download. Since
Uh-huh.
we have a graph in front of us, so we
Uh,
have two measures in front of us, dog owning households and cat
yeah.
population.
Yes, yes.
So, what do we understand out of it now?
Like if you want to calculate particular things, okay, cat warning tells us about the cat population, okay, and according to the state wise, okay, and we also measure these percentages as well, okay, the values,
Okay.
okay, like whatever the things when comes to these sheets or dashboards, whatever the values you want, okay, for examples, I want to from a business, I want some sales or profit, you can calculate, okay, that will represent virtually, okay,
Okay.
visually.
No, actually, sir, I was asking about this particular graph here, cat owning and this particular thing.
Yeah.
20,000, 30,000, how many cats, what
Yeah.
is the cat population? What exactly do we understand out of it is just what I wanted to understand.
One
How do
minute.
we read this graph is what I
One
wanted to
minute.
understand. Yeah.
Let me give a clear information. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. When comes to this cat owning, okay, in this particular state or particular country, how many cats are there? Okay. we calculate, right? According to the state, we calculate those things by giving the different types of data. Got it?
Okay, so
Cat
now you
B,
got the bars here, sir. So which
yeah,
clearly
which
shows
it
now.
tells,
So
which it tells like the cat population. Okay, how?
understood now because the bars were missing, so I could not
Yes,
actually
yes.
understand what
I
exactly.
think some loading issue. I think so.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, got it now.
Got it, sir. Got it.
And these type of information we can view in different chats or different things. Okay, with the help of show me as well as this automatic. Okay, you can represent with the graphs, Gantt chat. Okay, pie chat. Okay, bars. Okay, in maps also you can represent based on your project or your things. You have to choose your wisely, choose those things wisely. Got it? And after entering these things, okay, you have to save this particular chat. In order to save that one, you have to click here download. Okay, you can directly download the image of it. Okay, got it? The image is downloaded here. You can view that image clearly. Got it?
Sir, I have doubt. So
Yeah,
if
tell
you
me.
select a marks line and if I want to show the numbers on wherever the like
Yeah.
state or so how can we represent I mean to say present the numbers on that bar or lines?
You have to insert that information regarding the numbers. Okay, then it will show.
So
Okay.
if you select here the cat owning, so here
Yeah.
is the 70K, 60K. If you select
Yes.
there the line,
Ah.
so and
It will show
wherever the
like
60,
this here.
could you select the line here in
Yeah.
this cat owning?
Uh-huh.
So if you
This
select
one.
the line, yes, huh?
This one. You are
Yes,
telling this one.
yes,
This line.
line, yes.
Okay.
If you go into the marks,
1 minute. I think it will show on the bar only. Okay, the exact population here. Okay, the exact thing will be shown in the bar only with the help of bar. Okay,
okay.
and if you want to edit this particular thing, okay, index or axis, you can edit it.
Okay, so my question was regarding that
Data limit.
if we
What? 1 minute, 1 minute. Please give me 1 minute. Clear, guys? Everyone?
no, sir, I have doubt.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
So I was parallelly preparing the this thing
Okay.
in my
Okay.
system. So I just want to see how can we represent the numbers on this. So can I share my screen if it is possible for 1 minute?
Like you have to particularly work on these different data, guys. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
1 minute.
This is the measure.
Yeah.
So if you see the
Amol,
here,
sorry, Amol, we have around 75 people in the call. It's very difficult. It is not correct to share the screen and show your individual things. If that we start doing it, we won't be able to close the session. So take this as an assignment, Amol, and do your trial and error basis and prepare your own information.
Yeah.
Here, the main purpose of the awareness session is to explain you the navigation and show how a report and a dashboard looks like. But it's very difficult for us to share your screen and explain what went right and what went wrong. If we start doing that, all of us will do it.
No. My concern is this is the measures, right? So there is a 3 bars, right? So if on the top of, can we mention there, or how can we mention there the numbers or name?
That is how we pull the data, right? So what Shiva has done is Shiva has just pulled the data from rows and columns. So the way you pull the data is how it will be displayed here, right?
So that's what I want to understand. Is that possible to see there?
Basically, what he has done is he has just pulled the data and showing it in a dashboard and a story amount. Getting it? So it is possible. Just that you need to pull the right data from the draw data and pull it in the visualization.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah, welcome.
I do have one doubt. So from the stakeholders, are we getting the raw data, or they are sharing the data in a readable, arranged format?
Like they will be sharing the different types of data. Okay. They may send the raw data maximum. Okay. According to the raw data, we should be able to filter that particular data. Okay. Here we can filter directly. Okay.
Okay, so like one more doubt would be like if they are sharing the raw data, and we are extracting that data only here to see it visually.
Exactly.
So I like, is it like correct data, like it's the raw data, right? It's not in the particular format, or it is arranged. So it's not exactly correct, or maybe what we are seeing here would not be that correct. Like I just don't understand that. Like, do we have to first arrange that data and then
Yeah. With the help of the filter button, you can directly arrange the data.
Shiva, here, Akshata, to answer this question, sorry, Shiva, I'm interrupting here. Akshata, basically, we have data analysts in organizations who do the data mining and data refining. So whatever raw data that the guys get, or that is derived from the wherever it is, so the concerned teams will clean the data. That is called as data cleansing. And accordingly, they will edit the data and they'll pull it into a readable and understandable format. From there, the other teams can visualize the data.
Okay, got it. So it's not part of BA's job?
No, it's a data analyst.
Okay. Thank you.
So, ma'am, Renu, actually, I want to ask you the question regarding the same. So is the BA have to show the data, or what exactly? I mean, what exactly the BA role here then?
Basically, BI tool is nothing but a reporting tool, Renu. So if at all you want to show the status of your project, if there are people who want to see the reports. So basically, if you notice, we are taking this in awareness session. The reason being, this is not the core job of a BA. This is a supporting job. So as a part of your job, you might have to pull out the reports. And if tomorrow you join as a BA, your core responsibility is to pull out reports.
BA in the sense?
Business intelligence as a BA variant. BA is a business intelligence specific BA. BA who works in these BI tools.
Okay.
Okay, so there you need to pull out the report. So if at all, now if you're talking about a regular functional BA, this BI tool would be used where you want to extract reports and show to the concerned stakeholders, because all the vice presidents, all these high management people might not be interested in these details of your project. They might want to see in a more visualized, a more understandable manner, right? To show that to them, you prepare these reports.
Okay, got it.
Ma'am, Suresh here.
Yeah.
Tableau data limit is available or not?
Data limit generally in the BI tools, Suresh, not just Tableau, any BI tool. This BI tool support extremely huge amounts of data.
Okay.
That is a major purpose these BI tools were introduced into the industry, because you can pull out huge amount of data.
Okay.
Yeah.
No any maximum limit, right?
We do have maximum limit though, but that is huge. It is out of, it can support huge amount of data. You don't have to worry on the data because it's a company's problem. The company will purchase the tool according to the data requirements.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Shiva. Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Okay, this is the exact process, guys. Okay, with the help of this download button, you can directly download particular information. Okay, visually. Okay.
So can you download this as a PowerPoint so that I can see what exactly will come?
I didn't get you. The presentation.
Can you download this as a PowerPoint?
No. Okay, 1 minute. From this one. Okay. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay, like this, it will show the clear data. Okay.
Okay. So
Got
where
it?
is the PPT, sir?
I didn't get you.
Where is the PPT? You have downloaded right now. I think.
1 minute, 1 minute. I think it is not shared. I think so. 1 minute. I'll share it. Is it visible?
Yeah, sir.
Like
Yes.
this.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
The
yes.
data will be divided into slides.
Okay, so we can edit the background and all as well, right?
Yes, yes, yes. You can edit that.
I got it. So if we want to put some data or the diagrams into the PPT, we can use that tools to.
Yes,
keep that.
exactly. Whatever
Got
the
it.
thing you want to download it to for Word, PDF, okay, image, however you want, you can download it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And this
So
is more about the tab below. Okay. Yeah, tell me.
so if I saved any file in the desktop, so how can pull that file in Tableau
That
application?
particular data, right? That
Yes. So
particular
rather than
PDF.
dragging, yes, rather
Yeah,
than dragging
you
that
can. There
Excel
is an
file.
upload option is there, right? If you select the upload option, wherever you want, you can go there. For example, the data is in download option. You can go to the download, okay, and you can select there. Okay, we are having that flexibility.
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, still you can ask any doubts.
Yeah, so just to reiterate,
Okay.
so we created sheet 1, 2, 3, like as per the
Exactly.
requirement. Then we, consolidated all of it in dashboard to
Yes.
represent, right? So that is the gist of the, topic or presentation
Yes.
that we
Yes.
are, showing to the next person. In
Yes.
story 1, 2, so we are showing the particular outcome like
Yes.
XYZ,
Yes.
whatever, like
Yes.
cat
Yes.
owning, dog owning. In
Hmm.
that, are we supposed to showcase the findings at the top, like these are the cat owning owners and
Yes, yes,
all those
exactly. Yes.
all those
We
things.
can, like in this story, we can store the combined data. Okay. As per our flexibility.
And when we download, so there are plenty of options like PDF, emails,
Yes.
and
Yes.
PowerPoint. So can we share this Tableau workbook to someone, and can he edit the same?
Like when comes to after downloading the option, okay, of the image or particular thing, like he is not having that option to edit it, as I discussed before this one. Okay, editable format is not found here, okay, in the tab below. If you want to edit particular thing, you have to again create under change request. Okay.
But again, so if I share the file,
Hmm.
there are some points like
Yeah,
sheets
then
available
he will
already.
be considering under the change request, right?
Yeah.
And as a BA, again he will be working on it within a fraction of time. He will be getting that particular data, right?
Okay,
We
got it.
here in this tab below, we will majorly observe how the raw data is converting into the visual data. Okay, that is more important, right? That will be more important part in this tab below. Okay.
Okay, got it. Like the
Yeah.
the feature in Excel is pivot. We create pivot table like that only,
Yes.
but it is little advanced, I feel.
Yes, advanced version. Okay. In Excel, we mostly see the raw data or random data, but when it comes to this tab below, we find exact thing. Okay, exact things. Okay, guys. Any doubts? Anyone can ask. You can raise your doubts.
From where we will get the whole tutorial sessions regarding to Tableau, sir?
Regarding to the tab below, you can found in the YouTube itself.
On our channel.
Yes, our channel. Okay.
Will be
We
same
are,
provided in the library.
yeah, library also recorded videos will be there. Okay. You can go and check there.
So those videos will show the path to how to operate and everything, sir.
Yeah, exactly. But
Sure.
whatever the process we have discussed now, that exact video will be there. You can check it whenever you want.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is everyone cleared with the topic?
Sir, I need
Out
to
of
ask
this
one doubt.
curiosity, yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. In role of our BA, shall we add this Tableau form like extraction of raw data into visual data in our user story also? Like when we are as a BA, when we will make our user story, there also we will add this form.
No, we may not add there. Okay, because user story is different from raw data. Okay, those are the features. Okay. If we convert that particular things into the raw data, again, then we can add it. Okay. Majorly, we have to have here the raw data. Okay.
So I just want to know, sir, know the things like where we can exactly use this Tableau in our BA process, like starting when we will join any company and we will work as a BA.
Okay.
So like I just want to know the things like when we are using this.
For example, if the client has assigned some project to you, okay, so he given some random raw data. So as a BA, we have to get the clear data so that we can implement the particular things, right? Okay, we can analyze it. So in order to convert that raw data, we use our Tableau in some situations. Okay, based on your domain.
Okay, sir. So it will be useful for us also to analyzing the
Yes,
data
you
to
can
make the
use.
requirement clear
You
of the
can.
customer,
But
right?
when come try to remember, but when comes to organizations, as it will be the confidential data, you have to use Tableau desktop. Tableau public is only for the practice purposes. Okay, because everyone will be there to access your data. That is not correct, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Soumya,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, my query is Tableau is for data visualization, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Tableau and Power BI, what is the quite difference between both of this? Means both is same or means all the features are different?
Both are same. Okay, when comes to Tableau and Power BI, Tableau is very highly costly and it is also said as the old version. And when comes to Power BI, it is a new version. But when compares to these, okay, these are both are visualization tools, but
Right.
when compare comes to Tableau, it is quite effective. Okay, the outputs will be rather far. Okay, like fastly we can access that particular data when compared to Power BI. Okay.
But actually Power BI is quite much easy friendly, means it's not that much difficult to use.
That
In the
much difficult, that was not difficult, but when comes to Tableau, we can get excellent data. Okay, excellent means accurate data.
Okay.
Okay, when comes to this Power BI, we can
Okay.
get normalized data. That is the difference. Okay.
Okay.
And in this Tableau also functionality will also be better when compared to
Okay.
Power BI.
Okay, means you are saying the Tableau is in detail with each feature. And
Yes, and
Power BI is just
we also
rough.
get in this Tableau lot many features. Okay, when compared to Power BI.
But the both purpose is same only, na? Means
Purpose is
Power.
same, but we may not get all the features. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
That flexibility will be in the Tableau.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Ritik here. So I have the query that is,
yeah, Ritik.
We are processing the BA is taking the raw data and aligning into the Tableau and showing it to the client as per requirement and all our processes.
Yes,
So how is the data analyst refining the scope of the filtration? Can you tell me? Means we are doing the raw data analysis. So the data analyst present. What filtration is he doing in the organization?
Yeah, sometimes here data analyst will be there. He's if we want some in detailed information to be refined, so then data analyst will be coming into the picture, so make us easy. Okay, as a BA he will make us easy. Okay, and then again we have to refine it raw data. Okay, then
Okay,
we will be getting it.
So to go in depth, we are consulting that
Yes,
data analyst.
data
Correct?
analyst, exactly.
Otherwise, we are just floating in the upper waves. Okay.
Yes, exactly.
I get the point. Sure.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because in some situations we are not having the awareness of different things, right? That's the thing.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah, if you have guys, if you are cleared with your doubts, you can leave the session. Okay, or else you can raise the doubts. Thank you so much, guys. I think this session. Hello.
Yeah, I just have one question.
Girish,
So the tone, so capstone project and live project. So will this Tableau or Power BI be part of that? No, right?
No, 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 not will not be part of it, because capstone project is based. You will be based completely based on the case study. Okay, case study. You will be working on the completely case study. Tableau will not be getting. When you are entering into the companies or live projects, you may get help of the Tableau. Okay.
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi. So this is not in context with Tableau particularly, but to itself, I have installed the tools. So just wanted to know what are the significance of these tools like Axior RP, then
Yeah,
Balasmic.
When we want to convey, okay, our information to the technical team, okay, we use Azure RP and Balsamic, okay, because we are the as a BA, we are the mediators, okay, in order to convert, send the information to client as well as technical team. So we use this Balsamic Azure to send the information in the pictorial way. So we use this Visual, Balsamic and Azure. Okay. These are more like a mock-ups and use case diagrams. Okay. This we can say as technical language, so that the technical team will be getting easy.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when it comes to this Tableau, Azure, these are the supporting tools for BA. Okay.
And just to ask you further, like SQL, as far as I know, SQL is used for extracting data. And what is the use of Jira?
Jira, you will be completely working on the features, okay, because in Jira, what you will be working on, like you will be working on user stories, epics, okay, and the acceptance criteria.
Okay.
These type of things.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, guys, let's wind up this session. All the very best.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Vishal.
I think, I hope you have cleared with your topics and doubts.